What'd she say? Wrong answer. Ha! I thought you were hard. He's not leaving at one pace.
Must be one of the clinkers. Good place to start.
Between his shoulder blades.
He's no match for us.
Work together, lads.
Careful, he fights dirty.
Knock your block off.
You seem to want my employer's attention, Mr. Fry.
Oh, I positively crave it. But you'll do for now.
As you like.
Won't like that now, will you?
Wax will.
Anything of interest?
You'll need
Some new meat markets opened up.
Right.
The tops ain't got
That'll
enough.
be all.
bother someone else.
Dead as a doornail.
I've had enough to hear with you.
Someone's up to no good. This is a sticky situation. I think this one took a shot at me once. Serves you right.
Looks like trouble.
Another one for the gravedigger.
Come again now.
Someone apprehend the murderer.
I don't see Mr. Aberline.
Well, we tried.
I may know a thing or two about that splendid fellow you're talking about.
What's this?
God's sake! Are you trying to blow the gaff?
What?
Sergeant Aberline, at your service. I presume you're the Fry twins Green mentioned.
I was expecting you to be a policeman.
I was expecting you to be discreet.
Henry Green said that you could help us go unnoticed.
This is how it will work. I will give you the names of criminal gang members. You will bring them back to me. Quietly.
Oh, we'll be as quiet as an old lady. A very hairy, strange old lady that looks a lot like a policeman.
Now, whatever you do, try to remain within the bounds of the law. For my sake.
One for the paupers, but I would have gone to shopping.
Grab him! Drag him out! You owe me. Knowing my weekly rounds, the rent is due. Nothing, buddy, up!
Damn dope. I'll knock some smarts into you.
Payer, you owe me.
done my weekly rounds, the rent is due. Ah! Somebody stop this kid!
What's hot? I wonder what that's about.
You! Piss off! Oi!
Shut your gob.
What's about?
Meet my blade.
What is it that you think I've done?
Collecting rent from people who don't owe you shit.
Somebody stop that mad person!
Doing fine. Keep moving. Steady on. That's a girl.
Would be glad to see him behind bars. Thank you.
Time to take a long walk.
Bloody well keen to find out.
How many crates do you have left to distribute?
Only about a dozen, sir.
Excellent. All of London's blighters will be armed to the teeth.
No bobbies in sight.
Good. Distribute the dynamite then, and carefully.
Very good, sir.
We want this to come into the blighters' hands without harm. No mishaps.
Put him in my sights! He mixes. Making this hard!
That's the way. Let's go.
Moving magician.
This is for you. Break a bone.
Fuck on! I'll skin you for that!
Make sure she can't walk away.
Pay the rent now. Did you think of that?
What is this place?
It's nice to meet you both at last. This is Babylon Alley. Here we make it our business to know the streets and provide children with the opportunity to control their own destinies.
Clara. Mr. Green said we might be able to help one another.
In exchange for our services, we ask a small favor.
Well, why not? You seem to have taken most of my money. Why not take a small favor, too?
There are several factories about the city that are powered almost entirely by child labor. Those children work long hours with little pay, and most are not permitted even to leave the factory grounds. They suffer terribly. I need you to save them.
A small favor.
In return, we offer you intelligence, something you clearly need.
Now, hold on a minute.
I'm late for an appointment. What are these terms?
We accept.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Bloody children. They seem cheap, but you must replace a brat every other week.
about next week, and we are far behind schedule.
Jason Bear! Please, no more. I surrender. Just let me be.
Less chitter-chatter and more work! Next one to utter a word spend the night chained to the fence. Less chitter-chatter and more work! Next one to utter a word spend the night chained to the fence. Bloody children. They seem cheap, but you must replace a brat every other week.
Don't fret, children.
Thank you, miss.
I'll do anything you want. Somebody's gonna get quite the fright. She seems...
Quiet now.
Thank you, Miss Grove.
There's a trespass in the house!
God in heaven.
You'll be all right. Trust me.
We owe you one.
Step aside. DB.
Steady on now!
Some of us have to work instead of playing pranks. No one will help you now!
Pleasant day now. Would be enough.
Thanks.
Ah, there you are. All that stands between you and Whitechapel is the villain controlling the borough. Kaylock has demanded you settle the claim for territory in a gang fight.
His loss?
Yeah. I'm sure he can put this to better use than I can.
Oh, what's this, Greenie? Assassin Christmas.
Gather your allies.
Mr. Rexford Kaylock has agreed to your terms and waits for you at the Whitechapel train station. He's bet his train on the fight.
No Kaylock. No matter.
There you are. Ready to fire.
Roger, don't break your neck!
This is your last bout.
He's in my sights. Take his head up.
It appears to be broken.
Oh well, at least we have a train now. It's not all bad.
Kaylock is dead. Whitechapel is no longer in the hands of the Blighters.
You now have the chance to join our ranks. We welcome all who would stand up to Starrick and his cutthroats.
Welcome to the Rooks.
Bastard! I'd rather throw myself to the tracks than run Bertha another mile for that doty ball bag.
Kaylock? He's left the station.
Mel! Hello, fancy pants. And who might you
I'm
two
Evie
be?
Fry, and this is my brother, Jacob Fry.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Agnes McBean.
A delight.
I thought I was getting a promotion. I suppose I'm out of work now.
Come work for us instead.
I won't bile your heat. You pay better than scraps?
I'm sure we can at least match that.
Then may I present to you Agnes and Bertha, lady and locomotive, at your service. I'll be in the next car.
A hideout on the rails. What an excellent idea.
Yes, it all worked out rather well. Now, I would like to follow up a lead on... Jacob? Is this serious?
I'm not doing anything until this gets fixed.
I believe I know someone who can help with that.
I knew you would, Greenie.
You know, a mite of money goes a mickle bit in this city. Think of the power of good you can do with the purse you bring. You talk of a store in London. Well, now's your chance. That there map shows who to speak to. Old friends, if you will. Give 'em a whiff of that sterling, and maybe you can save us all from having to lay down our knife and fork afore we're ready. Now, enough shop talk. Believe Mr. Green said there was someone he wanted you to meet?
Bye.